Hey guys, it's Adrienne. In my last video, I showed you where to go to get your email swipes so we can start advertising today. There are a couple of traffic sources I use that always deliver a consistent flow of leads and sales on a regular basis. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. Now, this particular resource is called My Lead Gen Secret, and you can go to my channel and look under the cheap advertising section and watch the 8-minute video to get detailed information about it. It's a simple mailer that looks like this, and you're going to use it every single day, and it only takes about 5 minutes to complete. Now, as a recap, you're going to log into your HBA affiliate zone, click the Freedom Launchpad button, and grab the 50 Done For You emails. When you open the file, it will look like this. Now today I'm on email number 4. Now these emails are not formatted, so if you were to copy it directly from the swipe file and then go into My Lead Gen Secret and paste it in the editor, it's going to look like this. And you definitely don't want to send an email that looks like this. I mean, this looks like crap, right? So instead, you want to open up a notepad and paste the email in here, and then this is where you're going to edit it. So I've already done that, and when you're ready to send the email, just copy the subject from Notepad, and then go over to MLGS, click the Mailing System tab, make sure Mail by Date is selected, and then click the Select All link to move all your leads to the box on the right, and make sure the Send From whatever your name is selected, and then paste the subject in the text box. Next, highlight the macro for the first name and copy it because you're going to use this in your greeting. Scroll down to the editor, click anywhere in the box, and while holding down the control button, you're going to click the letter A to select all the text. Click the B icon in the toolbar to remove the bold format, and then click the A with the underline and select Automatic to make sure all the text is black. Then click Delete. Then type Hey or Hello and click Control V to paste in the macro, and then click Enter to drop down to a new line. Then you're going to go back to Notepad, grab the body, and paste it in the editor. Now we need to turn these words right here into a clickable link that goes to your website. So go back to the affiliate zone, click the Sam Cart button, and scroll down and copy the sales letter for the all-in-one business. To increase your email deliverability so that it doesn't end up in the spam folder, I highly recommend that you create a redirect link to this website address. You can see right here the first part of this URL is the same for everybody in the company. The last part is your unique affiliate ID. So some email providers might view this link as spam because most of the link is exactly the same for everybody. So when multiple people are sending what looks like the same URL, it may not end up in your visitor's inbox. So create a URL redirect is how we can get around that. So go back to your affiliate zone, click the funnel builder link, and then click the gear icon and select URL redirects. Then click Add New Redirect, and under Old URL, you're going to type a / and give it a name for whatever platform you're advertising on, such as MLGS. And then you're going to paste the link that we copied from Sam Cart into this text box. Then you're going to click Save, and here is the redirect right here. So whatever your domain name is, like mine is makingitworkonline.com, just click on it to open in a new window, and then copy the domain name and go back to My Lead Gen Secret. And I'm going to highlight check it out. Click the little chain icon, then paste the domain name right here, and then add the redirect name that we just created a moment ago, which was MLGS, and then click OK. Then you're going to check the perfect timing checkbox and preview your email before you send it. You always want to make sure you test your hyperlinks to make sure that they're working before you send your email out. Then you're going to close the box and send your email. Now, after you've done this the first time, tomorrow it's going to be a lot faster. I'm telling you, it really only takes about 5 minutes because you're going to already have your email formatted and you're already going to have your redirect links. So you're not going to have to do these steps every day. So tomorrow it's going to look like this. All right, go back up to the top and click the Mailing System tab. Then click Select All. And right here, you're going to want to click the Load button to load the last email that you selected the day before. And delete the subject. Then go to Notepad, copy the new subject line, come back to My Lead Gen Secret, and paste it in. If you scroll down to the editor, you can see that the greeting is already in there from yesterday's email. And your closing is in there too. I even added a picture to, just give that little personal touch to my emails. So what I do is remove this part of the email, and then I go back to Notepad and grab the body, and then paste it right here. And then I redo my hyperlink. So I will grab my domain name, go back to the mailer, highlight the text that I want to create a hyperlink for, click the chain icon, paste, and then type the redirect. Then click Perfect Timing, click Preview, and click the link to make sure it's working. Now, if you want to change the color of this link, just close the box and then highlight the text and click the A with the underline and choose whatever color you want. So if you preview it again, you'll see that the link color has changed. And then you click Close and send the email. Now, when this timer counts down to 0, the send and the preview buttons will reappear and you can send another email. Okay, so you're going to do this once a day. And in my next video, I'm going to show you another traffic source that I pretty much set and forget. And it delivers a consistent flow of leads to my business on a regular basis. So make sure to tune in. As always, if this video has been informative for you, I thank you for watching.